Hey guys, so what I'm doing, I have a, like you can see there, couple of inch liner with fiberglass, and then I have high seats and like you saw in the previous videos. So what I'm doing now, I try to figure out what will be the best solution for me here for Salon area. So the thing is, what I will have here on the sides, like support and fiberglass, everything there, and then I will have a boards, and that boards I will cover with a mahogany or with a thick wood, like nice full wood pieces with a fine finish. That's idea. So I figure out that pieces that I have, I figure out that I need to cut them off. I have one here, so I chopped that with a Sawzall. I did with the Dremel before, but with the Sawzall it's so much easier, man. I lose like half a day just trying to figure out, oh, I don't want to cut it here, I don't want to cut it here, you know, and you go slow. So Sawzall is just cutting fine and nice. Now it's just to think I need to cut off that piece and smooth everything in this area here. I will show you later. And yeah, and then I have all templates, everything is there. So after this it will be just ordering the all material what we have, what we need for this particular project, and start hitting it, you know, like, so that hopefully will be done soon. So what I'm using, I cut off all this section. I couldn't cut when I start cutting. I was scared to, you know, maybe I will cut more and hit the boat on a side and a hole. And then I made first cuts with the Dremel. It's slow, but you know, it's slow and secure. You can check it out, blah blah blah. And then when I have a clear line what I'm cutting, now I start cutting off. So let's finish this. Okay, that's good. Now I'm happy with this. Now I need to clear off a little bit more, but I'm super happy with this. Look at the old wires and how they managed to hold the wires with the fiberglass. That was like something like this. Yeah, that was laying there like a seat for the. So yeah, now I need to clear off everything here. Okay, so we will change all new wiring, and look at this bunch of wires here. That's crazy. You see? Huh? It's crazy, man. Okay, so for you guys, the first time here in a video, what are we doing? This is Irvin 37 center cockpit. This is after room. So this is sanded. I sand everything here. We're changing some stuff. The engine mount, that's the place for engine. We will have a walls here. I did the templates. That's one of the templates that I did for the. That's one of the templates that I did for this wall here. So, but I didn't take this template in a shop because I want to make first, when I finish with the flooring, then I will start doing like really template for that wall. It's made, but I want to check it out again. That's after room. So we'll have a full mirror here, some fabrics and the vinyls, and you know, like probably actually I don't know what was the plan there. I think the plan for this one is for mica on a wall, for mica there, and for mica here. That was the plan. Or infinity. It's possible also infinity. Infinity is good. It doesn't take the moisture. You know, the flooring, nice flooring. So infinity is good, doesn't take the moisture, anything there. So that will be cool. It's possible that we will hit the infinity here, but I have, like always, some stupid ideas. So probably this board, we will make the new one and this one. When I make the new one, that board will go up like the other one. That's also the door. The door will be there. So when I have a board like this, I will make the holes on both of them, and then with the bungee we will do some bungee wrapping here, and that will prevent, this will be like a shelf for books and that kind of stuff, and the bungee will also prevent the books to go out from the shelf. It doesn't matter, here we will have a strip like the thick corner, but I think that will be cool because nothing can fall down and you can grab the bungee and drop down. I checked that, I saw that pictures on a Pinterest with a bungee and I like it. So I think that will be cool. This wood here we will change. This wood here we will change in a different way, that we'll have a half of this will be hanging locker and the other half will be shelves. So the other half will be shelves, you know, that will be cool, and two doors here. Okay, the same in a front V-bird, the same stuff like in a aft room, and that's the half done patterning, 70% done patterning for templating for the bulkhead, and that's the head. So what I did yesterday all day, I removed the old wood from the, let me show you that. So what I did, I removed the old wood and tracks and, from the corner, from the edge, that's the wood there. So I sand almost everything, not everything, and I fixed some the damage just to prevent the moisture to go in for now. So some cracks, I fixed some cracks there, just fast fixing, nothing special. So here I fill all this. So we will go probably with the wood, but yeah, we will go probably with 1.5 inches, with maybe with 1.5 inches. On the top will be inch, but on the bottom I think 1.5 inches. I will see like what will look the best here. I don't want to go like a full board. And that's more work. I need to put the stanchions then on the wood, and then I need to, you know, like it's, we will see, but I think this is okay, because if I put this on a wood, then the wood start rotting, and I don't want that. So probably we will put the IPA wood, probably IPA or mahogany or teak. For me, like that's the one part of the screws. I didn't remove them from here, so when the rain comes, it will wash them directly in a drain, so that can clog and made more problems there. Okay. One more. One from the other side. Cool. So that's the Irving 37. Now for me, it's good that I remove all this. It was really in a bad condition, like really bad condition. Look at this. Like you can see how bad it is, you know. Like so, I need to remove all this and put it in the garbage later. Okay, this is old screws from there. Okay. Old screws and all kind of fittings there. More screws here. Yeah, but this will be okay. That's cool. See ya.